Welcome to Ulta Academy, where SydTa'bre Brown teaches you how to do your makeup as I learn how to do my makeup and just enhance certain things. I work at Ulta Beauty. I used to be a manager. I am now just a regular associate. So before we get started, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. You will be back for more. Today, I am strictly talking about 5 tips that I have learned through working at Ulta and working with my makeup artist that has helped me level up my makeup. So if you want to level up your makeup, watch. If you need to do your makeup while you watch this video, do so. Pause when you need to, start when you need to. All right, let's get started. So every single thing is linked below in my bendable app. Everything, the brushes, the shades, and the colors. So first, you're going to take a flat brush and use it to blend out your concealer. This is going to elevate your look. Let the concealer sit 30 to 60 seconds, you guys. That is going to make a big difference and just kind of making it tacky. I am oily, so if you are dry, you don't necessarily have to do this, but I'm talking to oily and dry girls or combination girls. Next, we are going to carve out the eyebrow and the nose. This step is a big difference. All the steps are a big difference, but I like this one. You feel like more snatch and more glam. And I'm using the Real Technique brush, and I'm using the Fenty bronzer in the shade Truffle. If you want to go a shade darker, if you're a darker complexion, Ebony should work for you. Or if you want to go affordable, you can do the Juvia's Place bronzer, and they will all be linked in the bendable app. Alright, so next, this is for my girls who need help doing their blush placement. So I used the Sephora brush because my brush was clean, but you can buy the Real Technique brush and do the same exact motion. You're just not going higher than that brow bone, and you're going to just literally blend out seamlessly. Sometimes I go back in and do another blush just to add a little bit more color, but if you are debating on should I wear blush, you should. If you don't want to do a lot, you don't have to, but blush makes a huge difference in the face and just kind of adds a little color to the face. So that is how you blend out your blush, and I absolutely love this step. Alright, so next, for my oily girls, or for my girls who want to be matte, you are going to set all of that cream and make it powder, but use your Laura Mercier powder and pat the entire face down. This is going to make your makeup last 8 hours, I promise you. Every time I wear my makeup to work, I do this, and it is a tremendous difference. So I'm so happy that my makeup artist taught me this step, and his TikTok will be linked down below as well. Alright, now we are carving out the brows. I use the Morphe Java pencil. I think that is the best pencil in the store. And then I'm using the same concealer, the same flat brush from the beginning of the video, and we're just carving out the tail part. So you saw that I didn't go all the way into my eye. We're just going kind of backwards and carving out the tail. And then I'm using my bronze brush from Real Techniques, and I'm just blending it out seamlessly until I can't blend anymore. Alright, so next we are done with the makeup. We are crisscrossing and going vertical and horizontal with our setting spray. That is how Danessa Myers teaches us how to do it. I do not have a setting spray from Ulta, so I do recommend Danessa Myers. And then this last step, I am taking the MAC Studio Finish in the shade NC42, and that is giving me that blur makeup flawless finish. Look at my face. It looks flawless. And I'm using the Morphe brush. Like I said, it will be linked in the bendable app, and I will consider it the powder foundation brush. So just look Every single thing is linked already. I did my bio before I did this video, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed. This was something really quick and easy. You don't have to go into depth about it. You could just stop the video and do the step and then start the video up when you get done. To my Ulta guests, I hope you guys subscribe, follow me, interact in the comments. For my queens who come in and enjoy my energy, I appreciate you. And for my loyal subscribers who have stayed with me, I hope you guys enjoyed this new series. I am going to create a Instagram for Ulta Academy, but this is Ulta Academy part 1. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next video.